Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple yet important setting inside the Telegram app on your computer. If you'd like to let only specific people see your date of birth, Telegram's latest update makes it easy to customize who can view this personal detail. Let's go step by step together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged in. At the very top of the page, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. Click on it to open the side panel. From there, head into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram lets you control who can see your information. Now look for the option labeled Date of Birth. When you open it, you'll see different visibility choices. To make your date of birth visible only to people you know, choose My Contacts. This means that, by default, only the people saved in your contacts can view it. But Telegram also gives you more flexibility with Always Allow. To fine-tune access, click on Add Users next to this option. A new window will pop up where you can select specific people from your contact list. Choose the users you want to give access to, then press Save. After that, Telegram will ask you to confirm the step. Simply confirm, and your settings will be updated immediately. Now, only the users you selected will have the ability to view your date of birth, while others won't see it at all. This feature is especially handy if you value privacy, but still want a few trusted people to remember your birthday. With these steps, you gain better control over who knows your personal details without having to share them publicly. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've set up your Telegram profile to display your date of birth only to specific people. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to apply the changes right away and enjoy a safer, more personalized Telegram experience.